The linear search or sequential search is a method for finding an element within a list. It sequentially checks each element of the list until a match is found or the whole list has been searched. Now let's see how we can implement a linear search algorithm in Python. We have a list of integers. We want to print the position of the number 30 in the list. We define a search method that takes two parameters. First parameter is the list of values. Second parameter is the target integer. We'll run a for loop. It will run as many times as size of the array. If it has 5 values, it'll run 5 times. If the value at this position of the array equals to x, then we'll return I, which is the position of x. If this loop fails to find x in the list, then we'll return -1, which means x does not exist in this list. Now let's execute this program. Expectedly, it returns 2. In the list, 2 is the index of 30, as array index starts from 0. Linear search has time complexity of big O. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I will make videos on other searching and sorting algorithms. So like and subscribe this channel to get more tutorial like this.